Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about unit fractions. Let's start with our vocabulary words. Our first word is fraction, and a fraction is a number that names a part of a whole or part of a group. Next we have the numerator. The numerator tells us how many parts are being counted, and it's the number on top of a fraction. The denominator is the total number of equal parts, and it's the bottom number in the fraction. And a unit fraction names one equal part of a whole. It has a numerator of 1. Let's start by practicing how to find part of a whole. Luke's family picked strawberries to make a strawberry pie. They cut the pie into 6 equal pieces. Luke ate 1 piece. What fraction of the strawberry pie did Luke eat? So we want to start with the fact that they cut the pie into 6 equal pieces. So on our pie, we want to draw lines to break it into 6 equal pieces. And when you draw your lines, it's okay if your pieces aren't the exact same size, but you want to make them as close as you can. Then we know that Luke ate 1 piece. So we shade in 1 piece of the pie to show what Luke ate. And when we write our fraction, we want to remember that the numerator, our top number, is going to be the amount that Luke ate, and the denominator, our bottom number, is the total number of pieces. So we know that Luke ate 1 piece, so our numerator is 1. And if we count the number of pieces in the pie, there's 6 pieces, so our denominator is 6. We can also write this in word form and say that Luke ate 1/6 of the pie. We can do the same thing when we're trying to find part of a group. Jake has a collection of marbles. What fraction of his collection is yellow? So first we want to look at his marbles and find the yellow marble, because we're trying to find the fraction that is yellow. Our numerator, our top number, will be the number of yellow marbles, and our denominator, the bottom number, will be the total number of marbles. So if I look at my picture, I see 1 yellow marble. So my numerator is 1. My denominator is the total number of marbles. So if I count them, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since there's 8 marbles, the denominator is 8. 1 out of the 8 marbles are yellow. Or 1/8 of the marbles are yellow. Let's turn our page over, and let's write a fraction that names the shaded part. Remember, our numerator is our number of parts shaded, that's our top number, and our denominator is the total number of parts, that's our bottom number. If I look at the model, I would think that 1 out of the 3 parts is shaded. So my numerator, my top number, is 1. And my denominator, my total number of parts, count them up, 3. So 1 out of 3 parts are shaded, or 1/3. Next, let's write the number of equal parts in the whole, then write the fraction that names the shaded part. So if I look at my whole, I want to count the number of equal parts, and I see that there are 8 equal parts. So my numerator is the number of parts shaded, so the number of green parts, and my denominator is going to be my total number of parts. see if you can write the fraction. So what number should be in our numerator? How many did we shade? Good, 1 part. And our total number of parts, we already counted this. Our denominator should be 8. Good. And we can write this 1 out of 8 as 1/8. Now you try. Answer the questions on your paper. And remember, the numerator, or top number, is the number of pieces shaded or selected, and the denominator, the bottom number, is the total number of pieces or parts.